Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Subaru Forester. We'll cover the basics of what these shifters do and why they are a fantastic feature for more engaging driving. You'll learn how to activate manual mode and when it's most beneficial to take control of your gear changes. Get ready to enhance your driving experience and feel more connected to your vehicle on the road. To begin, simply move your Forester's gear selector into the M or manual position. Once engaged, the fun begins. Use the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel to smoothly upshift into a higher gear. When you need to slow down or gain more power, pull the paddle on the left to downshift. It's a straightforward way to command your vehicle's transmission. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your Forester smelling amazing. You can find the link for that and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For optimal performance, consider downshifting before entering a corner. This helps you maintain better control and provides instant power when you accelerate out. Remember to upshift at appropriate engine revolutions per minute to keep your engine running efficiently and smoothly. Avoiding both over-revving and lugging, the engine will ensure its longevity and a more enjoyable drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.